What's up, boss babes? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and of course watch the whole video. Today's video is going to be about what's in my Louis bag, of course. So I don't know if you guys have one or whatever you carry every day, but I'm about to show y'all what I keep in this big old tote. So let's get started. So of course this is like a really big bag. Kind of is like bigger than me. Y'all see the color of it, obviously, and then it has like the blue straps and it's like cloth. It does come with your receipt, and it comes with like a card holder so you can keep your receipt nice and crispy, because we all know if something go wrong with that bag, we taking it right back. Ain't that right, y'all? And then they like wrapped the box with this ribbon, which was so cute. I should have did an unboxing video, but of course I couldn't wait to use my bag, so I didn't do it. But yes, this box comes wrapped, and yeah, it just comes like that. And of course it comes with a duster bag, and it says Louis on there, of course. So I don't know, if you guys don't own a Louis bag, like, you guys have to go buy one, because it's just the experience, like, just so luxury, and it's good quality, and I love it. So I know you guys will like it as well. All right, so enough of that. Let's just see what's inside of this bag. Well, first, this is the Never Full bag. It's the biggest one. This bag was $1,500, I want to say, between $1,400 and $1,500. I did get my name on here, my initials, y'all see that? ciierraR. It has two straps. Have these on the side, and yeah. So, oh, and the inside is like this red material cloth, which I like, and it has like a snap right here where you can put, so you can close it. It also came with the wallet, which is another reason why I purchased this bag, because I got 2 for 1. Like, you just cannot beat it. It came with a wallet. So we can start with this first, you guys. What's inside of my wallet? So of course I have my cards and my registration, which looks a mess. I need another one. Have my layaway receipt. Yes, I put stuff in the layaway. And money. And yeah, that's it. But sometimes I do carry this like as a purse, or like if I'm going to the club, I love to take this to the club, because I'm not about to carry this big thing all the time or every day. So yeah. All right, so next in my bag, of course, have my keys for all my cars, my other set of keys, my gym membership, because the girl got to work out, my AirPods, they're charging. My Gucci shades, but the Gucci shades not even in here, they're upstairs. These are my other favorite shades, so I gotta block all y'all haters, y'all feel me? It'll look cute. My lotion, which we all know about this. This is like really good. It just, the smell. Comment below. Look, I got some on my lips. Like, what the hell? Comment below if you have this lotion and you know what it smells like. It smells really good. This is the travel size. It does come in like a bigger one, but it is expensive. This one is 20, the bigger one is 40. But it just smells amazing. Like, can't go wrong with that. I have wipes in here. These wipes come in handy because you never know. You might be out eating some barbecue, so you might have to do a number 2 in the bathroom. So yes, you definitely need these wipes. Or I don't know, sis, you might be over your nigga house. You might need these. But no, for real though, these wipes is like really handy, especially if you have kids too, because they always come in with something sticky, and I hate it. So these wipes come in handy. Then I have my travel size makeup wipes. These come for like if I'm out, I just need to wipe my makeup off, or you know, you never know. So I do keep those. I also keep a journal. Never know when you need to write down anything, or I keep all type of notes in here, appointments, like this is me. I also keep tissue, because never know when you gotta blow your nose, or you might need a little dry napkin or something like that. Hair clip, never know when you need to tie your hair up, especially when you got long natural hair like mine. You know what I'm saying, sis? You might. I also keep my little makeup bag in here, which is not a lot of makeup in here, but I keep other things in here too. This is a Givenchy bag, so you know, but you know, you don't want to mess up your bag, and this is like easy to wipe out too as well. So I keep hand sanitizer in here, lip gloss, eyeshadow, all, you know, the works is in here. So zip that back up. Also gum, sis, you don't ever want to have your breath stinking, you know, you need that. And I really don't like to chew gum like that, but my kids love to take my gum, so I always keep this for them. I like these little breath mints. They like come out like that, and you stick it on your tongue, and voila. Simple. You ain't gotta be smacking and all that extra stuff. Boss babes, this is where it's at. Comb, in case you know you gotta comb your hair. You never know. Make sure your hair is nice all the time. Charger. Never know when you need to juice up your phone. Always keep a mirror on deck. So most time I use my phone, but sometimes you never know. Like, you know, you always want to make sure you're right. An edge brush, because sometimes, you know, your edges might get a little crazy there. I have a change purse because I hate when change is always just floating around my bag and I cannot get to it. You don't want to be in line, boss babes, and they're like 33 cents. And you just like, hold on, I got it. And you just taking forever. Guess what? Here you go. Here's your exact change, ma'am. Keep it moving. All right, I do have extra set of headphones. These are just like an emergency in case mine aren't charged. Came with the phone, so I'm like, whatever, I just throw it in my bag. Especially when I'm at work, I need those. Extra battery charger pack. This is very handy because you never know when you out, or most of the time I'm out all day, I'm very busy or whatever, and I need to charge something, whether it be my iPad, my AirPods, or my phone, you know? So I always keep one of these. Shoot, I got two in here. Never know. Vitamins. Keep my vitamins, y'all, because I'm trying to stay healthy and fit. So, you know, gotta have these. I have a couple pens in here. Never know when you need to. Remember I told y'all, write something down. I have some hair ties. Throwing stuff, you know, for my charger. And sometimes I keep this in my bag. Like, I got this at a makeup class, and you know, it never hurts. I might need it one day. It's just a flash. You know, I know they have the cases now with the flash on there, and this was like, I got this like 2 years ago before we had the really good quality on our iPhone. So, you know, I might just give it to my daughter. But other than that, that's pretty much what is in my never full bag. The Louis bag, you know, you could fit a whole laptop in here. Shoot, I might be able to get in this boy. You know, no, I'm just playing, y'all. But for real, this is a very good sturdy bag. If you're looking for something durable or something that's still classy, and you know, you're on a run all the time, this is like a very, very good bag. Like, it never fails me. I love it, and I think that you guys should get one too as well. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to subscribe, because you know, I'm trying to get up there with y'all. You know, support each other. You feel me? So stay tuned, watch another video. Again, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye, boss babes.